Your comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. If you want to change your life, you have to be willing to feel uncomfortable for a while. Growth doesn't happen when things are easy. It happens when you challenge yourself, when you fall and get back up, and when you keep going even when you feel like quitting. 2. Be careful with the words you speak, especially when you're angry or hurt. Words can stay in someone's mind for years, long after you've forgotten what you said. Speak with kindness, even when it's hard. It's a strength, not a weakness, to choose empathy over ego. 3. You are not behind in life. You're not late, you're not too slow, and you haven't missed your chance. Everyone moves at their own pace, and life is not a race. Focus on becoming better, not faster. Trust your timing. It's different for a reason.